trouble. Leave us alone, yeah. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Papa, for my evolution. Which one be this leave us alone? I be not be you sing Baba Nawa and Igbo dey postpone. Why you not dey tire yourself? Abi you not dey this country of injustice. Abi you not see how they turn our country to mumu country because of some greedy people. If it's possible for me, make I dey bring out new record every day, like a newspaper. I go dey do up, but not of the wayo and mago stop for this country. I'm not gonna stop. Stand up, brother. You never fit me away from my fatherland. You never fit me away from my fatherland. You never fit me away from my mama house. You never fit me from my leave us alone. You never fit me away from my father house. You never fit me away from my fatherland. You never fit me away from my mama house. You never fit me from my leave us alone. Because we buy clothes for you to walk. Because we buy uniform for you to wear. Because we buy motor for you to ride. Is that why you want to make us your slave? Is that why you want to make us your slave? If you don't want to give up the chance to leave us alone. Leave us alone, yeah. Leave us alone. Leave us alone, yeah. Leave us alone. Leave us alone, yeah. Leave us alone. 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 You know what say? When person take from darkness, he go begin to see. If you drive cow so day and you tire, he go reverse back and fight you. You know say when they did too plenty for blind man, he go know say na chuku say na the great fish. And if blind man tell you say he dey dream for after you, don't you believe us? Because every time na sleepy day. If you don't want to give up the chance, leave us alone. In 1914,
Waya botao. Ivia doni ro wa ke ivia doni risi. Waya bege venege kai waya lamu. Meno ile la janve utana na wele do gwaje. Eme oshumu lebe ize yamu. A topic o we na na e. Ize yamu be. Irage oshumu le. Eido itabe utana. So oshumu le. Eido gugwan we ni do ka oshumu le we. Ogbiviedo je ese iviedo ogbeje se because iviedo obude oshomole do sege no we no seni because ijere vegeni ege no shomole na riedo u oreto wa no gaje be eji aroe no gaje ikaki owe ajo kaki obobo a ijo eri oshomole gaje bi amuere oshomole ma me ebi ropa mo laido Binda tinyani kare ba ni diwe ni ya aruli mama ona woma six ono na nya o be set nye o ji do ya gogo ya na open mind ya bini people ya na gago ya na mishowe ya mueje ba ya vote ne ana strong ni ya na moye ba no do iwe governor ya gele moye ba ni governor ni no ga o na gele we for 8 years iye do we mudiane no ya we for 8 years ni o ge be we ne be 8 years ni I do gana wa sise e chema abiro e post no kwa ni behin no ya representative here do Abuja e yana we work hard yana we make sure we just push e no rie Abuja o na gele ariba ana mi egwe yana gele we ukpori na simabo Okoni na mu neni. Show me la amuena iviedo. Amuena. And iviedo we wina we save na me we amueni ega we ma we bani. Any investment no give do or we have you every do. Anything no we ma we bani e amuena we ba. Iviedo mu ye bani. But to show me le save. Ushomo le na mi ami e ke na me na gbe. Ona do mi ami ke no ve na kai. O ma gi iviedo re. Eri ya we bani. We save been that oh, wa ga egwe oviedo no. Ati egwe oviedo no. But utansa na wa. Utansa shomo le na wa. Shomo le obiansa no. Be that abi ebe do awo oviedo no. No pa no wo. Obiansa no ye go bi ani se oviedo. Owi sodonia imuna na mu ne no ya hu na oviedo ye represent. Ine ya represent obiansa. The baby Yoruba so. Owi ya represent ye oshomo le. Okpa me we ni me itawo. De to me nwa. Ukpo na mu nugwe. Ukpo ni amu eno ruti vie dara mu eno. Aworu ya hu na ne vie du. Eme hi amaro. Eme ma bi aro no bi ajolos. Me eme ma bi aro no bi we. Ni ete aro ukpo ni. No ma so obo. Be to ma so obo. Ma yo bo daji. De no ya gang up with ave kaba ave mafia ni rota usa de ba ni video baso. Na view. Na ri we yakara. Be that a chairman amu eno ene. Na ri we yakara. We me ibe we iya no de we yakara na ya aja woni ya to ya sa we because I mean no na bai una ya una na usa we ga una na de una ya una ni Yoruba una na me kenu kere o so mo le opa me yo ni meta mo we ipin abo no koko ma na dakonu because iya mo gbala ka no ya yuduhu wu yuduhu ne una ro gbala ka na bo na ma be ge yen una ya ri obi e ma o so mo le jere ka te mo pa ga so pa ge ni we iviedo iyama egeru mana e ka do rulia wa imu iviedo wa mu ya but u do rulia ne u do ga egwe iya etiki enwe abami go so when egwe emugu ogen adun wa do ilu ya iviedo emugu o so mo le oni opa ewe ni tamam okay o so mo le o emi opa ni meri o ni meri ta ohonu ya mu me I speak small English. Maybe the video you see this where you did. The woman where you go marry, that Keve woman where you go marry, Shomole. Not be say we not know, we know. That woman has secret service. Secret service. Me I dey abroad, I know as they tell the work that as they tell the worker. I know that woman has secret service. Now contract marriage now do contract marriage because that woman I'm not sure say na your wife not be your wife not be your real wife na contract marriage you bring that woman come take loot our money take go put for the woman place everybody know now we know as you come to play Benin people wetin I just say make I tell you my brother. You go carry all the salary wey you know say you dey receive. You go bring am come out. Make the Benin people make them see am. Your salary. Not be you only one. All politicians make them bring their salary wey they receive. Where they for see money, you Oshomole, where you see money where you take get all those properties where you get. You get for Iyamo. You get for Dubai. You get for where your wife dey Kive. You still get hairline. And I hear say you get hairline. Your private hairline you get. Now I made that woman. You married that woman because of the money where you wanted that woman. Take shop money. Take the loot money, come out for Benin. Now I make you marry that woman. That woman has secret service. Everybody know. I don't know whether Nigeria know, but we know say that woman has secret service. It just come for a mission. Now that one say make I tell you, Oshomole. So all your secrets, no one way we don't know. All our money where you loot, Oshomole, try make you return everything to Edo people because now Edo money now you loot. na Edo money na you loot to Oshomole. Try and return our money. Return Edo money to Edo people. Because that money belong to Edo people. Now I make you go marry that woman. Make you take to carry money come out for the country. I know say na Reji. Maybe Benin people go know say na Reji. Now that woman be. What I want to tell you, Oshomole. All these people you go join for north. All this Hausa where you go join and some Yoruba where you go join. They destroy Edo people. May you leave Edo alone. You don't rule your own for 8 years. Now Benin people now stand for you. May you take root for 8 years. After that 8 years, they still push you. May you go chairman. As you reach there finish now. Now you all go to do for there. You don't remember Edo again. You can't dey scatter Edo. You can't dey scatter Edo. And Benin people now send you message. May you go there and they put you for that post. If you not finish that post, you do there finish now. You can't fight Edo people. Oshomole, that can't be good. They say figure when he put food for your mouth, you know bite time. You know bite time. But you don't bite the figure when put food for your mouth. Oshomole. Now they talk so. So as it be so now, may you leave Benin people, leave Edo people, leave them for waste. You don't do your 8 years. Stay for your Abuja. As it be say you be Hausa, you not be Edo people, you not be Edo. Stay with the Kabao, this mafia people. Stay with them for nothing. No come they carry problem, come they carry people, make they come they fight for Edo. No. May you stay your Abuja. All the money where you thief, all the money where you loot, all your property where you get, now Edo money, now you take get that property. So you go return everything to Edo people. Oshomole now they talk to so. Now you talk and say, Godfather, you don't want to give for Edo. You know what I will. But you come back now, you come to form another Godfather and God's son. You can't create another party for inside party. You can't get your own EPN. APC not the. I think you don't destroy the APC now. You don't destroy them. You see, and I told people now send you message. The message where they send you, another thing what they do for them. You scatter APC now. You scatter everything. We don't get any post now for them again now. Odubu, the one where they give Odubu take your hand, scatter them because of the thief where that one still thief. The scatter, we lose that one again. Then you now, you still take your hand. The post where we still get for them now, you still scatter them. All these people they follow you, all of them, they follow you. You say that they don't like you. They want to collect that post from you. I think they don't collect her now. Now you destroy everywhere. You they take our money, they fight us. The money where you thief, now because of that, you say you want to scatter Edo again, make them not see it, make them cancel everything. You take our money, they fight us. Oshomole, you not be Edo man. You not be Edo man. Edo man, no, they do this kind of thing. As if you say you be Hausa, may you stay with them. May you stay with them for them. Oshomole, now you are the talk to soon. So this message make it reach Oshomole hand. Oshomole hear me una let am hear. So everybody don't know that woman where you carry that woman where you marry, where you say na your wife, that Quebec woman. Na secret service. The woman na air hostess. Na secret service. Now that woman, through that woman, I need to loot our money. May they investigate you where. All our property, all your property where you get. May you try, may you return them because now our money, now you tell you buy all those things where you get. You get many property. We know. Not be say we don't know. Now let this one say me I tell you Oshomole. So now may you leave the Edo people alone. Leave them. Because the thing when you take your hands, gather, you still take your hands, scatter them again. You don't do your 8 years. You do your 8 years finish. They can't push you. They can't push you. You can't be chairman. You reach there finish now. You say you're not going to let Obaseki rest. As if you say you don't do your 8 years, leave Obaseki may still do 8 years. Now you tell us say Obaseki a good man. Obaseki even better pass you. Now so you talk. Then you go toss and say Obaseki not get certificate. Say only one I because of that Obaseki not qualify. No problem. Mona carry on APC they go. Now only this one say me I tell you Oshomole. Your all don't finish for them. So if you don't know some, if you buy on time wa ọgwụ onye nọrọ ego Oshomole expire okwu a secret service Oshomole marry contract marriage okwu is arrange ime when me time na arrange no because boy of esun we mana ivie wo ni ivie kivev ni eyam bowu and that woman I hostess no eyam bowu even we boni meje mana ya we asunu ya secretary ya we governor no mego wa we president no mego ya hia mo bi pa ni wo ya hia mo go pa money laundry eyam bowu then ya ale lave bi age am bowu right but sort of men ya we president ya we governor ya lele ni ya shock go e ko ni ga hin but I want to ma bia no Oshomole o ma bia because wa mai dey him o any since iye ya shock get do and Oshomole o me lie o me lie company lie there e wo ko ni so ni agba lo to say o ko ni oro na ebe we le ki verb ba ni ko ni oro na ene iye Oshomole is say man no ka bo wa corrupt o ka bo corrupt kakabo because of anoka evanika ka na be guy bb no ka wa oligi ka je ganje ya ne o no ko tere no ole that if do ebe no ebi ya ga je be do ya mu mani ya na mojo amaye be worry okay una gie ni aga ogbi be do gbin aje si no iwa balo mese wo Oshomole we no bi ansa kun wo vie do Oshomole na we ovi ken o mo na je ken ya ku ọmọ náà yẹ kẹni yà kú ẹ Oshomole náà gbẹ èrè ọ̀nà rẹ a certificate ọmọ qualify whole graduate ìyẹn gbúbí yẹ a graduate nọrẹ Nigeria ìyẹn gbúbí yẹn àwọn una wẹ gẹgẹ a certificate gẹtọ fọjẹ ẹni náà gbẹ instead of Obaseki una wẹ Obaseka abi and a result ni ẹ ìwà káyà mú ẹ wẹ káyà rí ẹ làtìyàn for 4 years náà káyà rúlù. Okay, Yarulu, where how am I better here? Or we said now, or him wait as what do we go, father? Ne Tulubu, we go, una de Batulubu, who what the progress I do. A Tulubuna, you won't go, or I will do our way to home. And your Basaki Latian, warm, and your Basaki woman, not tired where Basaki is a good man, or Sati, we can not stop, or swine, or we are guay, we are man, no, always so we're safe. Water, go Baseki or Muesekin, where Gazin, a bit to a Miami and with Talo, go Baseki or Muese, it can Nugeni, Nuya, I hear that. Now, a certificate in local representing when I wear again, and I get a wagon wefi, a Maya, because the we are not in lava. Oh, Rulu, but two were telling Museum, Yamu, or the Algo Rulu. Because they got some way as the Yamu when I go father there. Una ya muze ya mu PDP una wo adom sisu wen eze ya mu criminal no una wo avivie do eva hu uvia eva hu so una muze ya mu na mu ade APC una wo ze ya mu do kwe ize ya mu sise oji no criminal no ga sisi kwe una ya mu na mu ade lare Oshomole ebini amunu gwe ihuna na amunu gwe no nwina o ke no gwe nwina ma ke no gwe do fi pa governor Imuna na mu ngwe nwina o chairman ya mu umera ti mo ya mu ma u ya mu ma bi yo be udo muje a party no do agwe e governor ho emi we Obaseki emi no ma no emi no ma wota popo wo kan fi e uto no ma emi no ma we because emi na go do nwina agwo no we do dole doji then we na ya ki vivia usa na do ya destroy do if you outside we ga nana so we give yes if you do yes o because keni am we jini e gbala ka ya mu no ya anyodu hu wu yen no na ro ai for na wona ma be ga yen a disgrace no weri ni ma no na rie ne dio graduate a whole ma no je university ona be ari America na ya tie be a whole oshenge graduate una go ma qualify to stay in that office but to ka qualify the first one or we say the second thing na una go ma qualify oshomule ma egwajoro fi egwajoro we fi ni ma on ni and the man be decode we ona be gbe hewe and the man owe mu egbe no ya fight we e baro epu keke eyan ya fight wo mu we ye gan ane gan tu je igo ya nu do ve ya fe oshomule tu kan ave ya latin ige do nu we do vio we gbina je no destroy yo na dia ya wa tu kan ave ya latin ki go nu rie ne wa ne ya gbina ke nu vio ni ane we bo ne ya ro bi ma wo ave ya latin and we nu ka je we gena na enwe lu kan je we come down benu ya disgrace ma usalo bo ya disgrace we benu ya disgrace ma because o hu age we inwe na we ya hu na ba inwe na mu no e ba ni we che ma ya wu hi abi no ahead the party ya mu no o inwe na mu ne Godwin a governor yin be sign o be nwu na no be mu awo ji ogugbo e che ma na mu nu we e agbo gbe bi anwu na women right mo ya pa ugwe be gbin na ya gbe ewe o kan na do agbina una ya zen una ya destroy ya fe party ni una ya destroy party ni ya una gwawe ya wa party usie ya geke o se se no emu ne PDP ona te ya gba o ki han na hokowe ona hokowe because ma ya agbe kan o ma no sa ge ohun we no ya we mi wa se ba ni e no sa lo bo ogin won o da we you de confusion la we gbe useti we o ba se kifin we ti wo ge ba yesa won we yan ni ke be to wa ba we do ma setting anu ye be setting e be na ta se wo ye be setting o pa eva e go inta ma we o somole iri manu to mu no invest lele e ya fefefe u ya ri ton ni go ni ya fefefe wa e be ton ene wa ye be je gan igo ni uri o nu ya mu ye we obi e kive nu mu u me ela ni ogo nya e ige do ya o ya do wa ri ton ni go ni ya fefefe oni pa iwe de tam oni ogwe ni owe ifo we bani opa iwe o ni beta wo o ize iyamu ne ogie mafia ehi agugun ize iyamu do ize iyamu ka kama won ina we nu lawa dia because e mi no ma favor ma uga we kere we mi no ma gbora mi kwa gbe u ka rule for 8 years o ma favor we o ma gwa we my old video ka we send the message ni gwe o ma gwa we una riari ya wigo una luti go na zage ya uwe we ne wo muri ara o kinge tutori ya do destroy do una dele gbere come back ona ya mu we go show mo le nira ona wo no ade wo hen do rule lare o se ya mu we repisi ya ure pisi una ya fi gwajo e party no manje ure party ni we ya de ticket ye e gwajo yen te oni ya smuggle we live we to ko baseki o smuggle we live ne den ujigo wa gania uvio sisi ni ya uwe ni ado agbina wa to ringe wa to goli gide to wa to we ya emi na wa gwa lo de gbe sun oni egbe nu e o so mo lewe mo egbe no do we o mo egbe na we nu do we o baseki so okpa megi ori meta mo we ize yamu we pe en go bi edo we hinji ogo so mo le na so ni ayo so mo le goni ki obi afe ma no ebe ma be mu ave do o tausa o so mo le na we te lo no ga we se te lo ga o ma qualify to even stay in that post but I don't have a manager and that's why and that's why no make sure we you ya we ma be bani any good thing no we la jamba buja of you eri edo na push e bani but yan se ba ona ade ba we kaba yan ni e gwa we mafia yan na e wa yan na ye yakara Eni ga gumina. Eni o ga kama no do. Eni o itama no do wi be do. Ita because ina we da do go simi yoge. Sisi e mai ne gbin ke no kere. Ewu no ni ewu na wi o ri mu e. Imu na be Hausa ya hu nana. Hausa be son Yoruba. Itulubu. Ona ye mo bo. Ati the post oluze ene nya. Oluze ene. Ma oluze o. E o somole ma. E oluze because e post ma e no. Amuene ma be. Oge odubu the same thing. Ize yamu we na ewe obi edu ewe him ekendo na yakwo una because of greediness. Una because of mopa no have yagbo we. Oshobole na riwe. Be that we be ra, oshomole be ra, oshomole na riwe. Ona we no adi. Ngwado scatter APC. Why we no we live 4 years in your pay sani no shomole la do shomole ya mamu gie nu we wa me that do ya ri wa nu like wa to ari eyo illegal things wow we no ya ri lawyer because of ego nu to mu na we o ize ya mu no ma ne gbe ize ya mu na de ba ya do se ake do wa ya de ba tin ozuo una de ba fema o ya usa una agwo bi edo ne ru na agwe kun una we ne ge la gwe nize ya mu onya me na ya fefe gwe ma because wo we we ma no deba e hon do alige do wa be ni ka wo me gbe wo wa be din do me gbe wo o ma kan maro pa wa be ni ka wo me gbe wo inu mi enu na wa do za wa ri hon do ya za ge do mi no wa lena igo no wa do mu wa lena ani to wa hai ifu when is exam ini go we me wa show e salary wa we be osomole e salary wa mi na ya me wa ya me ya wa me wa ya vi wa ya ri e webo wa show e salary wa mi ke wa ya mi go ni wa ya we mi ya wa we go wa ya me property ore wa me wa show e ma bi edo ni de ibi edo wa ha mi ya we ni ya vi salary ya la ni go ni ya mi egbi go be ri oni no ke ne hela usomole na robe highlight oyari bu kan diba ni oni ohun ene igugwa no information no do wa mai maybe I know mai maybe buari I know bet my bet if no sunu be time na mara ewebo mai information about all those things ye no ya hu na he the woman ya olutu ne ya oya olute igo ne oyari the woman ori eye ba ni so ibi edo ni wala wo wa nne ya keni ana mi go ni ya mi ya ni ya me ize ya mu no ogie mafia no ji criminal otuza ne o wetin ya ile a egan o we ajo na egan anegan to kan stage o de no ke no we wi e o wi an wa wi ati Tony Kabaka do Tony Kabaka re si eyi nwe ya te ni go a ha emi no ma o gbe Tony Kabaka o na mi kwa gbe ege no salo boya ri ogwe no ori enu ene benu be mo seni o ka tenu gbe yo boya to ni se una ide ba bi edo una ya de ba bi una ogwe no bi edo una de ba go una de ba somole we magi yo edo magi maropa magi we Obaseki o ma we no otun no just because of money una de ba somole una de ba ize yamu una ku Obaseki hia we me get to we ri aboto we ni we me get to we ke ogi edo be ri oni Tony Kabaka ha wo pa oredo wa pa oredo o wa nyado benu gbe ka wese o wese de ri mi no lowo be mi no ka sunu be gani Tony Kabaka wo ma no kan quality etase bunia wo ma no kan quality etase bunia wana wa me do fo we o kan wo contact me ma be graduate no university no jo no ya ti ebe na ti law na ti accountant we wo kan do quality etase no redo at least benu wa we send be ege agbo na re ni wo ma no eriyan ege osomole agbo ga no eyin be ki because osomole ma je school o se no osomole na be mo Obaseki no na no mo iba ne because ege Obaseki ju keke o ya mo ye ga no keke no ya kele mo ye ga o so no na so lo we Thomas to pawari anye yin mo e ba ni e vera ti no ya we no pa wa ni there ye mi no logo we ma school where are we jo say ni maybe secondary school jo say or mo ave jo for self I don't know imagine university who accountant who engineer who lawyer who anything then when I wa collect them where me can na so where you are ekwe mo ma ba do time where when we genie agbe o or collect tax or level it's a shame I o ha ja to na lati ami ho ni di owo hon where everywhere gbinaji mo be we o total we gwa me imagine school ba ya we ni me do collect ige ita sebo he ube me loke de nuna karibege osomole akpe oga no beru bo we benu ya fuwe ni beru we mo se o ma na re this one is another person ma be na hin it's a graduate so shege graduate wetin mu yan wa no wetin be corrupt yan anybody not be we bo ologo ke ti corrupt we no we na no corrupt force we almost we no ti we di ma wa bi yan gwa bo e opa na una ideba shomole una igagwo baseki hon because of a tax level uma be total wewe igo na imo nya e wo hia o nya even money there we bona ma be contribute a tax igo na wa mu ke we bo la edo alone no wa la do alone oni se be du wa pay tax ba ne di ma be pay tax e tax ni ma pay de ba wi yan lo wa e igo ni kin e wo nya and e be o baseki o nya ma wo kan rie ge ro no mu nu nuwa gwa baseki gbina ba itoni kabaka ime no tana ite mo ko mo ba we ebi no ma like gbe ona mi kwan gbe ebi no ma ugbe ona mi kwan gbe owu na o save me who save your life because of money save your life you get what because of ego who wa gbina le na mi kian we no do we no pa upa na wo we ebi na wa we una go ge ya disqualify obaseki una ya we party una ya we party we wize jamu una vie ma wa ba gbe o wa ya gbe dem ni we celebrate e do we guven e to ahun o because e ta ba we no ma gbo na mi kan gbe e to we ahun e do we guven e die do we guven ba mi go ami wa no ka me mo se give me ami ne ka me o we do ame u ka be ame din agogo we o te o je me mi abi property nu me no so ni what is your problem what the be ladia udo agwo baseki uya de by one wo wa gbe kunu to ta by o so mo le be bo no je bo to why ha na why problem no redo we be ize jamu de bo so mo le o so mo le be right no ya kodo ni o ka buja de odo adi tete mi no baseki hin awo e right ano baseki let detect mi ni awo na ye na e Buhari mi na e president o we mi go ba Obaseki be win the governor o we mi go ba we be win inwin na wo we mi go be ba osomole da dogo win na no mi go ba we na to ya fi we ya mo ya we fi no kyo ya we fi we ya mere e me no maka won u ya di tete we ke ya ji we o ma no graduate o shege graduate we ati corrupt ya and we ati tamai no wa who set it tamai that man is a gentleman una we wa do ha mai we siso egunwa siso agbe wa hin wa se ti suppress wa se ti tamai we no we mi na o we aye bo we no a me no wa ka we ani ke wa mu ya ni ya anwu na nu gwa wara si wa we no mu e ya ni o rule ba we o ira no ha mai we no ya rari una wa do mu se ya mu e ba ze mi jamu do ara go da ba se ki ma da code with you or ma agree with you e can say agree with you no wa da me se bo una we a certificate o be sunu be mana ni emi o pa alphabet o pa ti change ihe worry ya me bi no gbon o me bi ma pronounce say o ma gbon say ihe we baba na ya we no problem ro ihe correct correct le be na be correct o la o la di o internet ya fe eri ya sunu when e wa we nde alphabet ni o pa o ma qualify wari we ya fe wa mi fo pan wa he la una wo no pa no we ke wa ye jesi o wa isi re oni wa do loud because of that we me dey monitor we ize yam so wo wa kan obi oba na se mo yi we ni ana wo wa kan obi oba na una se mo yi we ize yam no ma o oni opa iwe ni ita ma won wa tran wa la wo wa so ba se ki ai 8 4 plus 4 to wa gba 4 plus 4 no o wa gba ogba ni 8 years ni we wu 8 years ni eyin ya we wu 8 years ni to wa gba 8 years o wa gba we se ti ta no pa no ha daji we ne gba ero wa ize pope wa yu wa ya ta waju nwa ya ta egan wa le na to wa ye je gwe osomole ve ize yamu egan ni to wa ha ye je ebe na ta se to wa ye je gan ni because egan ni wa ri go no wa do mu wa la wa ila ni to ta oni alternate ni hini alternate 16 years ago egbe we oni ye exist se wo wa igbina la ni wa ya to ta wa do agbegbe le gbuwa o Nigeria fi were ni o ma fi were na ya na mo ave lawyer ave judge ri bi ni ama ya hia na mo somole la dia mi no somole ga ya ga no ku o be ke no he ku se mo ke no ku se na mo na o somole na ona gi mani ado are so ma wa be do the right no me no ya gi police ni ado are so ma wa ga disgrace Nigeria Nigeria ya too much gbe ya me brain ni aje school wa ga disgrace Nigeria because even wa una exist ugwa gi ma we ni ya are so ma unda ogwu egun a e o di gi democracy ni a anybody me right ni ya go egun a iya me right no ni an opinion ge da do me right no ya ta una we ni ya mo una we ni ya mo bi sani o so mo le mi nu e ma uki oge ebo we ni a uki oge ebo ni o ha igwe la do wa aro ta usa no je wo to ni sisi Hausa wekin ibi Hausa be ma fi anodo na da weji de o so mo le me we ni meta mo we ibi edo no ni na gbegbin agbin na we eri asme ya ri ba o so mo lo fi asme ibi edo me we ni meta mo wa na o so mo le o fi bi edo o fi ibi edo we ni ta mo wa o so mo lo fi asme la iba because my Hausa yo bi Hausa true ya re iya e gwe je so mo le obi e bu ya no and obi edo we no true ya mi etini ya re ni na to atu sani atu so mo lo fi re o ma we fi la ba true so mo le ya die to ni atu ya occupy to atu sani atu wa ke na ma be wa to so mo le ji o ma no e go o ma e go we ni an no so mo le because you fi bi am sa you fi esme la ba ni you fi ave fulani you fi la edo oni e mata na ruwe oni e oni wa ita o no kosa na re o so mo le opa ni he ita wo ge abat ya gwa bati gun aworo na abati we so tene bo ja me ya so ni abati because abat o ma no me ko no ma no if I watch a video ni re na are se no na we are se boy ni o we he are se obi we mani ge obi san abat we se ijobo nu je ne oba se ki ijobo nu be je ne do edo ehun nana anu na be anu na egbu e because o ma no na awe bi si dai ma egbe osalobua ogo ma ni e o we na anu salobua o be san we se o wa gbon ani ma continue your imuna na a good job no wa na awe do ma no we na ma san we se bet osalobua we dey ka we na ga san we se ibege e ni ado ya mu e that's utai a video when I watch it where he had to say body because of what go show me like one. Iṣọ́ yàn níbi lẹ́bàá ní abágbé o ọ̀wé àwẹ́wẹ́ ní adomue lámú ẹ̀mẹ́jọ ọ̀hún. O máa ń gẹ́rẹ́ gbìmọ̀ pẹ̀tẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin bá ní ọ̀nà pa òsàlóbọ̀ ọ̀hún asáwọ̀ sí òsàlóbọ̀ ọ̀hún asáwọ̀ sí iye mi ní una wa pa una yà rí ẹ̀ láti. Wẹ́sì because ǹdọ́ bá sẹ́kì ẹ̀yàn náà wẹ̀. Àbá ìmọ̀ṣọ́mọlẹ̀ bẹ́gẹ́ ni àmà ìmọ̀ṣọ́mọlẹ̀ àti lè bá ní wá sùn ẹ̀. Iye yẹn àti lè bá dùn láàdùn. Ọ̀yì sísọ ààrẹ sọ ni ọ̀yìwẹ́ edeni agaghị iwe awị na election ọ bụ leba ni o iwe ole ba ni odo are so ma o we ni edo tra basaki o basaki edo fi boyo nu we yan imue he yan imue yan imue basaki yan imue na basaki mama gwa atu be bi anu ga o so mo lo ki yo we ana igwa mi o so mo le na gwa ji go na wa ya zagedo aba gbe o yan gwa mi eche ni o ha ji go ni a o ri go ni a ne ya ka pele le hin o ni o ma no ya wo we sabat ìjọbọlùjẹ ìyẹn ti ìwé mi lọ pa ọpa ìwé ní tàmà wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ ìwé wọn wá ata ìwé ọ̀nà wẹ ìyẹn àfíẹ́ lìsì làdì àyẹn ìwé rere nù sùn ní àádọ́mú ìkàkàbọ̀kùn òwò ẹ̀sẹ̀ wẹ̀rẹ̀ òsàkó ìnàkódìn ìsítálì àbí ẹ̀yà ti òsàkó ìnàkódìn wà wẹ̀sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà yà làdìyà bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà yà tẹ̀mẹ́ nì bẹ́ẹ̀ni ní ibẹ̀ yà sọ làdìyà wẹ̀ ní màmú ẹ̀ dẹ́gà dọ́gẹ́ mọ́ gbókò wà wẹ̀sẹ̀ òsàkó bá débà wà. Because even wawni there's nobody no team do that anywhere uta wa we ya listening we eri ya listening no pa re we ya he do arese na ke de fiafia ma ya do mu ya do arese we ya mi ro pa o ya fiafia ma emi opa me di oni metabo we na wa ho we ri ono ri amu o ya do arese we ya osomo le ya ifun ya agbo ene he give me that power me power no ya gbera gbiri ya mi ene dege ni ama mi eno wo o yan do are so wa le list we bo bi eji ibi ere we bo na the only thing na wa o iya wa won yan arrest anybody e ke ni bi ere ri gaje e tali ni me de ma ya hin are ma ya reputate wa we gie ni re Canada ni any place iya we attract bi yan down e bi wa se agbina secret service wa no then ibi yan ke ni na mi igo ni ya de e villa ni a je ni ya live here e kede ni ana mi go ale ba da ya gbe na o so mule na we ari bo kan body be do yan are se aso a fesi bi e webo ifu ne ni se ja mo ye mana be me wa fesi bi ya be webo isogo ni ya ka ga una igi mani adom do ya bi ya le ye webo aka webo gbian to so wa e de fiafia ma ri adom ri ado woro na ri e fiafia ma mani le webo ma be gbe ni bi ya abi oni otini ame e garanti ni oni ame we ya idugo mu na do vivi ya webo maybe egbe anakin ya bibi ya de webo ma le face ya ma re Europe a be face ya e ta gbina o we na be ya we we enia wesi oni opa ewe ni itamawe na we je mana le to ya pon wahia all social media presenters e ma ya ni be blog wahia wesi na we ni be ya pon kwa because me ni wahia be ya latia do si mi o sege na wahia wesi ma gwa eni da doge yafo o sa ko no kodin de by Monica wesi wa be ni we na ibe to wesi be we ya ladian be ya isi yo sege no kosa na be o basaki mi da ya ni aga Monica wesi oteme wesi kaka bo wa pon we then the Murphy wesi because of penu ke gbina mata na o sa lo ba we na ko be so fure be jone mi wa bere nu wa ya gbina yo pelu ke strong go ye mata na no concern obaseki be osomole igbina ni agbo magbon gbina wese na wa ipon wa ya wese be wa ya ladian keni yin ya de by my sister my princess Jamie or Shekebo mama of Jamie wese we oba wese kaka bokun we e video na do na be do mi abege wese be nu ya gbina be nedo iwa bele bi ya ngwa be wa ya wese be wa ya ladian anasi yo sege na ye do ya kele ro wa kele risi wa ya wese be wa ya igbina mudaye mata na wa magi oja wa magi ameta na no do gbima wa na sin yo sege na wa na sin ni ma wa ya wese keni gi yen ni ma ni no ire social media be wa ya igbina jo osalobo ade ba wa eni ka wa ya ro alawo da wa ya mi wa do do boji no unu wa ri be wa be wa ya be muti abejo wa ya wese na we ni be do ipon wa iwese so o ma eje fo ti ni liguna eto ye fo na ege ne on the 22 na ya we din ara ye we di primary din ya iwe o me ma ri but for me me te di ma wa pa me a show APC ase ai no ni ya ase ai because me ho na we eyin a o ku me problem with APC o shomole o me problem with so e shomole verati ebi ya no ya fefefe illegal ya ga hun ya ma gi shomole and then no show me self me here we have certificate me ma show be me because all primary school na wojo here we near or change the be bani ge tailor na be ya insult ni only wa da me bo tailor na be ya gwe a graduate igun a insult a graduate gwe eri ono be eri emi opa bigo oni opa o kaka bo da me bo o sa no ba ye we no we nwo ya mwe oju nwe ya temi ya no mama awakura akuro oju nwe mwe no ya prepare oju nwe ya mwe ne because asokwedo iye nwe asokwedo wo shomule the son of the soul e oguve wo shomule ona ya hie ovi egwu ma no we ize ijamu de bai etoni kabaka na ona de bai ona agovie ba mi go ba mu ala ba we ke jadi wa de bi live wala wo ona pa onita te mata na efo na ga ne be ni ahe ya we de te ma so ya we primary din a we mai ko se ya ahe no like PDP APC ma we o so mo le mi ya no ga wi le gaga no o so mo le igo no do mu ya wa ri o e lo ya yan isi e bo na ona no o le lian si so ma je school e me nwa iya isi obona na no na iya isi obona ona no e oga do emi ya no ga na football gwa na ga na ge kino na ya end e kino na end ya na mu na ya hwe because o show mo le any right no ya equal anybody every right no ya ri o ma ye ba every right no ya ta we document na e ri o correct o na ma correct illegal thing e o show mo le ga u no do sero na je na o sa lo bo anu la o no ye mudia we ne ni ka ya mudia no ye mudia we die do no mu la wa ya we say all over the world we wa ya pa gbe mudia ye mata na o sa lo bo ade ba wa ni ka o kan so wa ni ka wa ya ro ona we ni tare o ta na o wa ya we say wa kan obi e o ni be say ai we ni na wa we say
ma non col dito lì. Ma mi sembra difficile, fai così e basta, non lo so.